Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tim Queen and today I'm going to share with you exactly how you can grow your YouTube channel with free traffic from Twitter. So if you want to take advantage of this amazing platform and accelerate the growth of your YouTube channel, keep on watching. Now, Twitter is an amazing platform when it comes to promoting your videos because it's one of the few platforms which is not punishing you for external links. And I use Twitter successfully to grow a huge amount of followers on my personal YouTube channel. So let's step right into the 5-step system to grow your YouTube channel with Twitter. Now, tip number 1 is change your profile URL. You can change it either to your YouTube channel ID, you can change it to your latest video. And the trick how you can do this is you are creating a playlist which is containing all of your uploads and you're sorting it. So the newest one will always be the first position. First you open your YouTube channel and you locate your uploads playlist. You want to click on that and then you go over here on sort by and you select date edit and you select newest first, and then you take the URL which has been generated and you head over to your Twitter account, you edit your profile and you delete what is inside and you just paste this. And this URL will show you all of your latest uploads. So whatever video you uploaded as newest video will be shown at the top. Let's have a look, save, click on here and see what happens. It opens the URL and there we are. There's our upload page and this is the latest video and everything's perfect. So whenever someone is clicking on your channel, on your profile URL, they will just see your latest YouTube video and go straight in and can see all the videos on your channel. So because a lot of times when you're publishing content on Twitter, you will notice people start clicking on your website to learn more about you, so you can bring some people to your channel. You can also link to a specific playlist on your homepage, for example, your favorite videos, or you might pick up a specific video that you want to push. And this will really help you to get more traffic. And the more traffic you're bringing to YouTube, the more YouTube likes you because you're bringing in people that they can show ads to, meaning YouTube is making money. If you monetize, you're making money and everyone is happy. So make sure that you are using your URL to drive traffic to your YouTube channel in some capacity. Now, tip number 2 is you have to create an automated system to publish your new YouTube videos on your Twitter channel. It's just so much work to do it manually. And the way I do that is I have an app called Social Bee. There is an RSS feed of all of your recent videos. And when you get this from your YouTube channel, you just put this into Social Bee. And every time a new video is uploaded, Social Bee will pull this from YouTube and create a new social media post. To get your YouTube channel RSS feed, you first have to open your YouTube channel. You might have to click on the home button for this to reload, or click on videos. So you get this cryptic ID over here, which is your channel ID. You want to copy that and then you're going to use the following template and you're going to insert this over here. So this is URL and at the end it says channel ID and you're going to paste this right here. In this case, this is your RSS feed. If you upload this on Social Bee, it will contain a list, a structured list of all of your videos and you can easily import this. And there is your RSS feed, and from now on, whenever a new video is uploaded, we'll create like a new social media post, either automatically approved or for your convenience that you can edit it and can make some adjustments. And then you can use that to schedule your YouTube videos on a frequent interval. So whenever some new videos goes up, it will be published in frequent intervals. Basically, the moment one video is getting pushed out, it goes all the way to the bottom. So at some point, the entire list is rotating around and every video has been shown to each of your Twitter followers. And the best part is you can actually set up approvals, so you have the ability to change your tweet before it goes live, but you can do that in bulk. So every time the tweet is added to your queue, you just come there, you change like 2 or 3 tweets at a time, you put them on autopilot, you put them in a specific bucket, and then Social Bee can republish the videos every once in a while because not everyone is online on Twitter all the time. In fact, the tweet usually has like a lifetime of about 3 hours at most, and then it will never be seen again. So you have to make sure that you publish frequently and often. We're going to come more about the frequency later. But this tool will help you to put this on autopilot and to make sure that your YouTube videos are automatically published on Twitter whenever a new YouTube video goes live. Now, tip number 3, you have to use hashtag, and you should first start by doing your hashtag research. And I recommend to use a tool like Keyword Tool or Hashtagify to find out which are the most common hashtags in your industry and which one are actually frequently used, where are people following specific hashtags, where do you get the most amount of engagement, and which hashtags have the highest likelihood that you actually get the ideal audience who would be interested in watching your YouTube video. Because that's key. You don't want to go for the most popular ones, but then the people don't feel your video is relevant for them. You want to find a keyword that has a decent amount of search volume and the people would actually be interested in your content, because only then, if you can tease the interest, the value that your videos are providing, you will actually get people to click on it. So use a tool for your hashtag research, find 2 or 3 hashtags which are highly relevant and have a high likelihood of attracting the right audience, put them in your tweet, and you will see that you find organic reach through your hashtags, and new people will discover your content who didn't even follow you on Twitter in the first place. Now, tip number 4 is you have to tweet often and frequently. In fact, you can safely tweet between 5 to 20 times per day, because tweets are such short-lived. And the way you can do that is to use, again, the same tool I mentioned before. Use SocialBee, create evergreen buckets of content. What I'm doing, for example, I have a specific bucket for all of my YouTube videos, and they're gonna be rotated on frequent intervals on my Twitter account. So what's happening is that I have recorded roughly about 100 videos. So when someone is finding like my content, they usually watch like 2 or 3 videos, but they didn't see the 97 other videos. At some point, a lot of people, because I'm promoting it also on my YouTube videos, they're gonna follow me on Twitter, and that's another opportunity for them to discover my content. So the way this works is you don't know where your audience is hanging out all the time. So at some day they might be on Twitter and they don't check their YouTube feed. So you want to make sure when they're on Twitter, they have an opportunity to see your content. How can we make sure that whenever they're on Twitter, there's a high likelihood that they might discover one of your videos? So those evergreen buckets contains all 100 videos. Some random videos from this bucket will be republished on my Twitter account. The day has 24 hours. If you want to get your tweets noticed around the clock, you have to publish them in frequent intervals. You can safely tweet between 5 to 20 times per day. It also really helps you to reach different parts of your audience. Some people might live in Australia, they are asleep when someone in the UK is getting off to work. So you have to make sure that you have this 24-hour, 7 days per week cycle. So wherever someone is living on the planet, they have the opportunity to rediscover your content. It's also very often happening that someone who's discovering your content might only watch 2 or 3 videos. And then maybe they start following you on Twitter, but I didn't see your 97 other videos. So it's really helpful to republish your content to help them rediscover your content. Because here's the thing, not everyone is hanging out on YouTube 24/7. Someday they might be on Twitter, another day they might be on Facebook. So you have to make sure that whenever they are on Twitter, there is a probability of discovering one of your past videos. So whenever someone is online, they have a high probability of discovering a video they have never seen before, in addition to all the videos, the new videos I'm publishing out. So make sure that you publish often and frequently. Now, tip number 5 is use native Twitter video to promote your YouTube videos. And the way you want to do that, you create a short, let's say 1 minute snippet to keep it short. So you don't have to do that for all the other platforms as well. You keep it to 1 minute, you create a short trailer. This content format has a slightly higher likelihood of being seen by other people, and it can be a trailer or a teaser for one of your YouTube videos. And then you can put the link in the tweet, so people who are interested after watching, let's say 30 to 60 seconds of your trailer, and they feel that sounds interesting, then they click the link and then you get more traffic to your YouTube channel. There are some more advanced ways how you can create those native Twitter videos to drive traffic to your channel, but we're going to talk about this in another video. So those are the 5 tips. Now, if you enjoyed this video, how to grow your YouTube channel with Twitter, you will also love my old video where I teach you exactly how to get free traffic from LinkedIn, a highly underrated social media network. You can check out the link over here. I put this in the info box. And you will also love my next video where I teach you exactly how to come up with new content ideas for really engaging videos on YouTube, so you have really good content and real engagement. So make sure that you subscribe and turn the notification bell on to get an update when I release this video. And if you want to work one-to-one with me on your YouTube channel strategy, make sure that you check out the description. There is a link for my one-to-one VIP coaching packages. Also, please press the like button and check out those videos over here and over here. And if you want to support me and my channel and you want to vote on what video I'm recording next, then make sure that you check out my Patreon account, We have the ability to see all of my future videos before anyone else, to submit content ideas and to vote on new video ideas. Bye!